Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise with InShot. The perfect solution if you have recorded a video in a noisy environment and want to clean up the sound. I will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can make your audio sound as clear as possible. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap on Video to create a new project and select the video that you want to edit. Now to remove unwanted noise, we need to work on the audio. Tap on the music icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap onto the video itself and it will open up like this. And finally, here you can find the option of denoise and simply tap on it. And you will notice that InShot will automatically reduce the background noise in your audio. And that's it. Your video now has cleaner audio with a less background noise. Simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.